Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Medicaid application, updated. Gather ID, income proof, and household details before you begin. Start by creating an account on your state portal or pick the paper application if you prefer. Work through sections for personal details, income, resources, and health coverage history. Double-check names and numbers, attach supporting documents, and save a copy or take photos of everything for your records. Begin with personal information and use exact spellings from ID to avoid delays. In the income section, report gross amounts and explain any irregular earnings clearly. When listing household members, include children, partners, and dependents, and indicate relationships and living arrangements. Answer resource questions about bank accounts and property honestly, noting any exempt assets. Before submission, review every field for typos and attach clear copies of required documents. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for uncomfortable socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you handle paperwork. I use them during long-form sessions, and they make a surprisingly big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Watch for common mistakes like unsigned forms, missing documents, or mismatched social security numbers. Avoid leaving fields blank. If not applicable, write in / rather than skipping. If you receive a request for more information, act quickly and provide clear copies or certified records to keep your case moving. Keep notes of submission dates and confirmation numbers, and follow up with your state office if you have not heard back within the expected time frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.